Hello, I'm Luke Cutiel. Welcome to the Cutiel Cooking Show. Today we're going to be cooking buttermilk spice donuts with vanilla frosting and sprinkles on top. As I come over here, I'm going to be telling you the dry ingredients that will go into a separate bowl than the wet ingredients. This is my friend Pointer, and I'm going to point to the ingredients. This is the flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and nutmeg will go into the smaller bowl. Then, for my wet ingredients, I have buttermilk, oil, sugar, eggs, and vanilla. Those will go into the big bowl, which then I'll eventually mix with the dry ingredients to make the dough. Now, this is where I make my frosting. I have my food colors, my powdered sugar, my butter, and my sprinkles. So, the materials I need is my recipe, my 4 cups to measure, my measuring spoons, my stirring materials, my 2 bowls for the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients, now my blender, my donut maker that opens like this, my fork to help scoop it out of the machine, my decorating pan, and my rack so when they're done cooking they can cool. So I have pre-poured all my ingredients into the bowls. I have 1/3 cup oil, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 1/4 cup of buttermilk with 1 teaspoon of vanilla in it, my dry ingredients such as my baking soda, baking powder, nutmeg, salt, and then in this I have my 2 cups of flour, and then I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna pour this into this, stir, put these two, the oil and the sugar, into the big bowl, blend it, stir in the eggs, and then beat in the buttermilk and vanilla. I just finished mixing together the liquid ingredients and the dry ingredients. My donut maker is done, and so I'm going to oil up each divot so the donuts don't stick when they're done. But first, I'm going to make my frosting so it's all ready when the donuts are done. So these are the ingredients I need, and optional food coloring if I want to make different colors of the frosting. So I'm going to begin mixing this. So now I'm going to put the second round of donuts in. The last batch, I put a little too much dough in each divot, so I'm trying to put a little bit less. So I just finished a whole plate of the normal donuts. So I have extra sprinkles, so I thought that I'm going to make some birthday cake donuts. So I'm going to pour these sprinkles into the batter. Stir them into the batter. I just finished cooking all the donuts. I have a normal donut and a birthday cake donut. So I found a really good way I can frost them. You stick the side you want to go into the frosting down. You twist it. Then you roll it up like that. Then you put your sprinkles on it. Put it on the dry. So this is my final product of the donuts. Now I'm going to be doing a taste review. So I have this donut, which I put all 3 kinds of frosting on, and that is the non-birthday cake one. Then I have a birthday cake with purple frosting. This is the birthday cake one. So inside has a bunch of melted sprinkles in it. It just tastes the same because There's sprinkles on the top, but it is really good. That one's really good because there's 3 different types of frosting. I'd say I like the 3 different types of frosting one better, but they're both really fluffy and they turned out really well. Thanks for watching the Cutty Out Cooking Show. See you next episode.